in this video I'll be unboxing the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2, so you get a better idea what's included and what's not included. So let's get started. So over here we have the case. These are the orange ones, obviously. I'll come to them in just a few seconds. Let's see what else is in the box. We have some manuals over here. And over here we have a few ear tips. Extra small, small, large, and extra large. Let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. So this case opens like a clamshell. And right away when you open the case, they are in pairing mode. So you can take your phone and place it right beside them. We also have the heart rate monitor. The black thing right over there. They're feeling really light. And the case is quite simple. It has a button over here for pairing purposes or to reset them. So this is what's in the box. As you see, there is no USB cable if you want to recharge them. We have the USB Type-C port in the back here to recharge it. It's also wireless enabled, therefore if you have a wireless pad, you can simply drop them on it to recharge the case and the earbuds at the same time. But this is definitely the only thing that is missing over here. No cable and no charger included. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.